Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Spokane country. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. Type down paid traffic ticket online in Spokane and enter it. And from the search result here, you need to select this. And once you're inside this homepage here, what you need to do is select this payments to the code beside. And from here, you need to select this online payments and code here. And after that, you'll be redirected to this home page. So over here, what you need to do is you need to simply type down your citation number here and type down the amount here as well. And select this save and add another here. And beside it, you can find the citation holder's information and fill up the form here. And after you fill up the form here, select the save and continue and follow the instruction here. You can review the amount due and complete your payment. And after that, you can save your confirmation. And online payments have a 5% convenience fee. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.